Good afternoon. Well, technically it's just noon, but it's gonna be a sad one, everybody. Now, a lot of y'all wondered what happened to Venom. Well, as you can see, the studs are all broke off of the adapter, and regardless of what anyone says, that's not because adapters are junk, no, and that you should never use them. Bullshit. Because that's just bullshit, flat out. It's an excuse that I was given. But yeah, me and my family were on our way home from camping over our weekend, and the front wheel came off doing 60, and I rode for probably a good quarter mile with no front wheel, and don't ask why I didn't stop. I don't know. I really don't have an excuse for that, I guess. But yeah, this is going to be a shorter video. As you can see, it crunched up everything from the bumper to the frame. It's done for. See that big ass wrinkle right there? There, shit. That ain't supposed to be there. And I mean, it's a good running truck, still runs. I took the AC pump off of it, and one other thing, but that ain't nothing that'll keep it from running, you know. But it's a lesson. Don't ever take your shit to a tire shop. Trust them to take care of you, because this is where it left me, on the side of the road. Could have been killed, you know. That happened too. Like this truck didn't really have any real damage until that. But that front wheel came off over there, and by the time it was all said and done, that it blew this tire out also. And got the mirrors off of it too. Old Venom, R.I.P. It's gonna be the title of the video, R.I.P. Venom. I bet that'll get some attention. No, I'm joking. And it hit so hard that it broke the seat. Like the seats broke for real, because you see that, how it's like crooked right there. It ain't supposed to be like that. And that door over there, y'all seen that door? Man, we all walked away from it. I don't know how, but we were definitely being watched over that day. Thankfully, none of this came and hit us or anything like that, you know. Damn, see the door still shuts easy. Man, I'm gonna grab these taillights before I go for my 92. Because I gotta have them on it. Gotta have my clear tails. This truck wasn't a bad truck at all. Came with the cap, bed liner, and a few other things. It's got Flowmasters on it. Flowmaster exhaust. I got like $300 in the damn exhaust on it. And this is where we end up. Yeah, y'all get a good look at that door. Like if you look at it from the side, it doesn't line up. Don't even come close to shutting. Opens alright. Damn thing opened just fine. No closing though. Alright. So, I want to hear y'all say rest in peace. R.I.P. Venom in the comments. He's done for. Frame bent. Ain't no fixing it. Got some parts, I guess. Minus a bumper, fender, door, and hood. At least I got windows. Still got that expensive ass boot seal. Alright. If y'all would like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. And please, if you're watching my video, please go subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It's the last shot. Once again, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. R.I.P. Venom. Thank you, and I appreciate every one of you. Goodbye.